We're here at this self-cleaning vacuum, and what's unique about this is it hasn't been up here, and it will put your dirt in there as well, which is cool. They have right here the vents. This really talks to you.
Dustbin is removed.
When you do things like that, it lets you know what's going on, which is really cool.
Dustbin is restored.
And what I like about it, it finds its base really easy as it starts to clean and those things. So just because I bumped it, it's going to go and find the base here again and start to recharge. Once it gets there,
Charging.
it starts to charge. Comes with a nice remote, and it also has a nice app as well. And the app, that's downloadable right from your book here, and written, there it is, you can see that. I don't want to click it in now, but yeah, everything's laid out in the book really nice, easy to read, and in the different languages there, as you can see as well, which is cool. Okay, the question is, how does it clean? It cleans really well. You can start it by just hitting your remote button.
Start cleaning.
You hear how powerful it is? If I want to return it, I can pause it. I paused it with this. I want to return it. Hit the button
Start
there.
recharging.
So it's going to come back. What I like about it is it really finds the base every time, and you don't have to like pound this into a wall or anything. It's just the base. It stands there and works really well. You can see the brushes going there. This is lighter carpet, where I'm at now, but it does well in even thicker carpet as well. See, whoops, clear this before it gets up there. And it will find that.
Charging.
And yeah, so this is the remote. You have your different functions on here. Everything's self-explanatory in the book, but I really enjoy this. It really just saves a lot of time, no hassle. I'll probably eventually download the app, but I kind of like just using the remote as well. A lot of different features that you can do with the app if you so desire. So I just want you to know that it works, cleans well, and very impressed with it.
Start cleaning.
Let's see if it picks that up. Oh, it didn't go